We are at 61%, and she is riding like a beaut. Yes, yes, yes. What a beautiful day. What a beautiful day, and what a beautiful ride it has been. It is coming to an end. Walk up. Yeah. So and surprisingly, I've only dropped this bike down to, I think, around about 20 or 30%. And normally that is probably the extent of how far I'm willing to ride, which is generally in the neighborhood of 30-something miles or more. And that's normally how far I ride. Look how fast this thing jumps up to 60 miles per hour, man. It's just like unheard of. And that's when this Scorpion helmet shines too. When I jump up to around about 60, I can really feel the circulation of the airflow in the top vents. The mouth vents are really not gushy right at my mouth, like most of my other helmets, my Ruroc, my Icon, etc. So I'm loving the way this Scorpion helmet has felt on my head. My head doesn't feel sweaty on the inside, and I don't feel a whole lot of wind coming in. And as far as the sound is, it's average. It's not quiet on the inside of this helmet, but it's average. And I couldn't ask for a better helmet when it comes to riding the RCR, even though I have plenty of other helmets that I've been exploring and checking out. ride. And the fenders, they held up perfectly. I couldn't have asked for a better ride. And let's get this camera off. Yeah, the fenders, they they did an awesome job keeping the dust off my back. So I couldn't have asked for a better experience this morning, which is now almost this afternoon, because I gave her a nice little ride here and there. And the Onyx 80 volt is a amazing machine. I mean, this machine is going to have a wonderful impact on my mental and emotional stability when it comes to my PEV therapy for some time to come. And I just can't stop raving about how wonderful this bike rides, how smooth it is. And I just might come back and get on the limited edition, because since I put the fender on the back of it, just to give it a little ride to see how it fares when it comes to the dust that I used to get kicking up on my back. Because for some reason that little small fender that pokes out the back, it kind of makes me laugh every time I look at it. I'm like, what in the world is that little ducktail gonna do? But you know, it's been an amazing ride, amazing experience. And now I have a few tasks that I have to take care of, so I'm going to get her back in the house. And I ended my journey with 53% of my battery remaining. I know I read a good 20 miles or more. It was probably around about 25 miles, if my calculation is correct, because I have travel routes that I know I'm normally frequent. So with that, this has been your boy John Q, the solo North Carolina PEV rider, on this beautiful sunny day out here. About to sign off, and hope you guys are doing your due diligence to stay safe while you're riding out there, and wearing your protective gear, and staying breezy with your head on swivel when you ride. So until the next time, I holla. Phew.